Are you looking for the best headband wired headphones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best headband wired headphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband. MUSICOZY Bluetooth Headband is a 2-in-1 sleep and sports headband that comes with built-in wireless earphones and a microphone. The wireless music headband uses Bluetooth 5.2 technology and advanced composite drivers to produce pure and balanced audio output with loud sound, rich bass, clear mid-range, and balanced treble. The Bluetooth headband is suitable for various outdoor activities such as gym workouts, jogging, yoga, and more. It can also assist with relaxation, meditation, travel, insomnia, and more. The Bluetooth headband has a rechargeable lithium battery that provides up to 10 hours of continuous playtime on a single 1 to 2 hour charge. It is constructed using highly elastic and breathable materials, including durable braided cord, high elastic lining, and a sweat-absorbent design, making it comfortable and stretchy. The product comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, and you can receive a refund with no questions asked within 30 days of purchase if you don't like it. What we like: extreme comfort for side sleepers, long battery life, easy Bluetooth connectivity, good sound quality, affordable price point. Number 2. BERIBES Bluetooth Headphones. BERIBES Bluetooth headphones over-ear are designed for audiophiles with 6 EQ modes, 65 hours of playtime, and a lightweight design for all-day comfort. The latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology provides a faster and more stable transmitter range up to 33 feet, and the built-in microphone allows for hands-free calling. The package includes a foldable deep bass headphone, 3.5mm backup audio cable, USB charging cable, and user manual with a 1-year money-back guarantee and 3-year warranty. What we like: excellent battery life, comfortable fit, affordable price, good sound quality, easy Bluetooth pairing. Number 3. KVIDIO Bluetooth Headphones. KVIDIO Bluetooth headphones over-ear are designed with dual 40mm drivers and noise isolation technology, providing high-fidelity sound reproduction and an almost concert hall-like feel. The adjustable headband and flexible earmuffs offer all-day comfort, while the foldable and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel. With Bluetooth 5.2, the headphones offer a virtually unbreakable connection up to 33 feet and a rechargeable 500 mAh battery that can be quick charged within 2.5 hours, providing up to 55 hours of playtime. The package includes a foldable deep bass headphone, 3.5mm backup audio cable, USB charging cable, and user manual. What we like: long battery life, comfortable fit, good sound quality, great value for price, easy device connectivity. Number 4. MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband. MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones Bluetooth Headband is a stylish headband that allows you to listen to your music without having to wear additional headphones. It is ideal for travel, sleep, workout, running, yoga, and audiobooks. The headphones block out ambient noise without using sleep earbuds that are painful and fall out. The ultra-elastic silicone outer ring produces deep bass, and a lightweight and flexible composite biocellulose dome delivers mids and highs with enhanced clarity. The headband is also waterproof and has a 10-hour battery life. It comes with a worry-free 12-month replacement service and friendly customer service. It can be a unique and relaxing gift for men, women, teen boys, girls, and office workers. What we like: stylish headband design. Ultra-elastic silicone outer ring produces deep bass. Flexible composite biocellulose dome delivers mids and highs with enhanced clarity. Waterproof casing. 10-hour battery life. Number 5. Glynzak Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Glynzak wireless headphones are equipped with a 40mm dynamic driver that delivers high-quality stereo sound with balanced bass. With 6 EQ modes, you can switch between different sound effects like bass, pop, rock, classic, jazz, and vocal, giving you a wide range of options to enjoy your favorite music. The headphones have a long battery life of up to 65 hours, making them perfect for long trips. They also come with a 3.5mm audio jack for wired mode, allowing you to switch between wireless and wired modes for better sound quality. The headphones are designed for comfort with PU artificial leather ear cups and an adjustable headband. They are compatible with various Bluetooth-enabled devices, including smartphones, laptops, and MP3 players. With easy-to-use buttons, you can control your sound and manage calls effortlessly. Glynzak wireless headphones offer a great audio experience and excellent convenience for music lovers. What we like: long battery life, comfortable fit, affordable price, good sound quality, easy Bluetooth pairing.